So in this video, I'm basically showing you how I was putting together my tray charms. I bought these from off of Etsy, I believe. And the charms, yeah, the charms came from Etsy. The trays I bought from off of Amazon and kind of put them together myself. I didn't initially lay the trays or do the designs. I'll do another video on that. I'm trying to learn how to do those as well, but this is basically me just setting them myself and putting them together. Excuse the stuffiness. I'm doing a voiceover on this video. I originally recorded this video on July 6th of 2020 is when the pandemic first started, and I got into the crafting and designing the bracelets. So it's me just doing like a video dump, freeing up some space on my phone and uploading videos as well. I noticed that most of my views and my subscribers has been coming from the DIY beaded bracelets and me kind of doing the crafting. So I went through my phone and kind of getting all the videos of the ones I did of me recording me actually making things. So again, excuse the stuffiness I'm feeling. My allergies are killing me right now. So these are like the wire bangles. When I first started off, I was into these, but I noticed that kind of everybody was doing them. No matter how you tried to do them different, style them different, it pretty much was the same. So I kind of stopped, and they really weren't adjustable like how it was saying it was. So I want to say I did these for like the first month or so, and then I completely just stopped and got into making like the beaded ones, because I feel like you can do more with those. You can really brand the beaded ones as your own and come up with your own technique and just do things like be so much more creative with them. So I still have some supplies like the wire bangles and all those things. I'm looking to do a giveaway for those soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that, because I have mad supplies left with like the wire bangles and things like that for anyone who's starting out or who's still into doing those. So towards the end, I show like a picture of the finished design, and throughout the video a couple of the ones that I made and wear myself and still have to this day. Like I said, I made this video June of 2020, and now we're in June of 2021. And basically everything I made, it still has last until now. I try to make everything, like I said, secure and as sturdy as possible. But I'm not really into these wire bangles anymore. So like I said, stay tuned for the giveaway that I'll be announcing about all of the supplies and things that I have for the wire bangles. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more of me doing DIY bracelets, beaded ones, make sure you drop some comments below. If you found this video useful, if you liked it and you want to see more, make sure you hit the notification bell and you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Again, thanks for watching.